XCMG, the leading Chinese company, has just introduced its groundbreaking autonomous electric truck, the XDR80TE, featuring cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. This innovative vehicle is hailed as a practical autonomous truck designed to be smart, safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. The XDR80TE boasts two operating modes: remote control, where information from visual, noise, and other sensors is transmitted to a remote operator station, and autonomous mode, where the AI takes complete control of the vehicle. Powered by a 500 kWh battery, the fully electric truck offers not only fixed fast charging but also the convenience of battery swaps at dedicated power stations, completing swaps in 6 minutes or less. The truck dynamically adapts its routes based on production needs, thanks to advanced sensors like LiDAR continuously scanning and creating a virtual topographic map. Equipped with multiple communication modes, the truck ensures seamless connectivity to the network by selecting the best mode for any given situation. The onboard AI assesses safety and autonomously navigates around obstacles or changes routes when needed. Upon reaching its destination, the XDR80TE engages in direct communication with the loading vehicle, which can be manned or unmanned. Following the loading device's instructions, the truck creates a parking path, and once loaded, it seamlessly returns to executing the production plan. Control of the dump trucks is centralized through a sophisticated control center, providing personnel with comprehensive information through system software. Summary screens display progress, enabling monitors to allocate equipment resources efficiently. Witness the future of transportation with XCMG's XDR80TE, where autonomy, electrification, and artificial intelligence converge to redefine efficiency and sustainability on the road.